how to manage Smart Compose on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to manage Smart Compose option on Gmail easy and fast. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go here in the top corner and click on the settings option. Click on see all settings and it will take you to this page. Now scroll down until you find Smart Compose. As you can see, this is the option that you are searching for. Now right here you can change, you can turn on or turn off whatever you want. And also here Smart Compose, you can turn on or turn off personalization. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video and till the end. See you later.